Hello folks. So believe it or not, guys, for the first time in almost 2 years of just absolutely piss pounding this poor truck, fucking giving it hell, it left me stranded for the first time ever yesterday morning on my way to work when I decided to fully grenade the passenger side wheel bearing. So on today's video of fun stuff, we are going to be installing a new wheel bearing. I will cut to the footage of the other morning when it happened right here in a sec, but here's the nice new wheel bearing that'll be going in. So that's nice. Gonna be able to comfortably put on some spacers now, knowing that I have a brand new wheel bearing. So at least there's that. Always looking at the positive, right? Trying to. But yeah, so let me cut to the bullshit that happened fucking yesterday morning, and then we'll get into fucking getting this shit taken care of. So guys, in case you're wondering, yeah, she's toast. Could probably wiggle it free. But anyways, on with the video. So these were what was wedged between my rotor and my pad. This is kind of the aftermath. This is what we're left with. So yeah. Excuse me. I just gotta take this off. For some reason, my cap's non-existent. So, whatever. The cotter pin's gone. And so is the other outside thing. It's cool though. So, yeah. I just gotta really pop this nut out. I don't think it's gonna be a problem sliding this out of there. It's clearly already separated from the spindle and everything. So, let me get this big old nut off. It's a 35 mil. I'm gonna have fun with that. It'll probably take me a minute. But yeah, I'm gonna take care of that. And then I'll show you guys the nice new one when we get that piece of shit out. Alright, folks, there's that. Kind of cleaned up. Now let me show you what I did to this wheel bearing. See, I'm not like most people. Most people would just break a wheel. Bitch. Most people would just break a wheel bearing or whatever. Bust the fucking beads and whatnot. Me, I split mine in fucking two. Yeah. There she is. This is what I got for you. How you like that, huh? Oh, here's my neighbor. He's getting ready to throw hands. Heard someone pulling the driveway. Haha. But yeah, so the shot one. That's what it's supposed to look like. You see the difference? See the Donnie difference? But yeah. Yeah. Go time. Let's throw this bitch in. Alright, boys. We got her done. There it is. Finished. Brand new fucking wheel bearing. Didn't really take long either. But it's in. Looks tilted because my alignment is fucked. Okay? So yeah, that's why it's sitting out like that. But yeah, go test drive her, make sure everything's golden girls and good. And let's get on this video. I'm gonna go maybe take it through some fields for some testing tonight. And yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'll make a video on it. I don't know. We'll see. But hey, catch you guys in the next one. Good ciao.